Azim Premji. Good morning, children. This is the lesson that we're going to do today. It's taken from grade 7 Hindi textbook. Aseem means limitless, and Azim Premji is yet another inspiring personality, just like our Metro Man Sridharan ji. You can definitely make him a role model because he has proved how, with dedication, hard work, simplicity, you can reach any level. So children, read the lesson carefully. Try to take inspiration from Mr. Azim Premji. It's a beautiful and inspiring story. So let's start the lesson. आप जानते ही हैं किसी भी क्षेत्र में निरंतर प्रगति का उपाय क्या है. You know what is the technique to follow in order to get continuous progress in any particular field. निरंतर continuous प्रगति, progress, and उपाय means technique. जिम्मेदारी किसी को भी क्या से क्या बना सकती है. Responsibility can completely transform a person. जिम्मेदारी means responsibility. लगन और परिश्रम उन्नति के मूल मंत्र हैं. Devotion and hard work are the keys to progress. Now, you could be asked a question in the exam. उन्नति के मूल मंत्र क्या हैं? तो उसका उत्तर होगा और its answer will be लगन और परिश्रम. That is devotion and hard work. सफलता पाने के लिए अनिवार्य है नई सोच और समय के साथ बदलाव. In order to be successful, the two basic essentials are new way of thinking and to change with time. अनिवार्य means essential, नई सोच means new thinking, समय के साथ बदलाव means to change with time. Now children, this could be yet another question which you can get in your exam. सफलता पाने के लिए क्या अनिवार्य है? Your answer should be नई सोच और समय के साथ बदलाव. किसी भी व्यक्ति या संगठन की उपलब्धियां देश के नवनिर्माण और विकास की भी सूचक होती हैं. The achievements of any person or establishment are indicators of the new reforms and developments of their country. संगठन means establishment, व्यक्ति, person, उपलब्धियां means achievements, नव निर्माण means new reforms, विकास development, सूचक means indicators. Let's enter the story now. पाठ प्रवेश. अजीम प्रेमजी के कंधों पर अपने पिता द्वारा आरंभ किए गए कारोबार का भार केवल 21 वर्ष की उम्र में आ पड़ा था. Merely at the age of 21 years, the burden of the business started by his father had fallen on Azim Premji's shoulders. कंधों पर means shoulder. आरंभ किए गए कारोबार means the one who started the business. का भार means burden. 21 वर्ष की उम्र means 21 years of age. यह उनकी कल्पनाशीलता, लगन, परिश्रम, सद्व्यवहार का ही परिणाम है कि उनका प्रतिष्ठान विप्रो आज देश और दुनिया के सर्वश्रेष्ठ प्रतिष्ठानों में गिना जाता है. It is only the result of his imagination or creative thinking, his devotion, hard work, and good behavior that his establishment known as Wipro is counted among the best establishments in our country and in the world. Kalpanashilta means imagination, Lagan means devotion, Parishram means hard work. Sadvyavahar means good behavior. Parinam, result. Pratishthan means establishment and Sarvasresht Pratishthan means best establishments. अजीम प्रेम जी अपने व्यवसाय के प्रति जितने सजग हैं, असमर्थ और आपदाओं में घिरे लोगों के उत्थान के प्रति भी उतने ही समर्पित हैं. The way he is wide awake or alert about his business, in the same way, he is committed to the upliftment of incapable or rather handicapped and those people who are surrounded by disasters or difficulties in their life. Sajag means alert or wide awake. Asamarth means incapable or you can also say handicapped. आपदाओं में घिरे लोगों के उत्थान के प्रति. उत्थान means upliftment. आपदाओं में घिरे लोग means those people who are surrounded by disasters or troubles or difficulties in life. महाराष्ट्र में मुंबई से 400 किलोमीटर दूर एक छोटा सा गांव है अमलनेर. There is a small village known as Amalner, which is situated around 400 kilometers away from Mumbai in Maharashtra. म्यांमार से गुजरात में आ बसे मोहम्मद हुसैन प्रेमजी ने 1940 में अमलनेर में वनस्पति तेल के उत्पादन के लिए एक कारखाना लगाया. This person, who was known as Mohammad Hussein Premji, in 1940, he relocated from Myanmar to Gujarat and he started a factory for the production of vegetable oil. So Mohammad Hussein Premji is Azim Premji's father, and he came to India and settled in Gujarat in 1940 for the production of vegetable oil. Vanaspati tel means vegetable oil, उत्पादन means production, and कारखाना means factory. अपनी कंपनी का नाम वेस्टर्न इंडिया वेजिटेबल प्रोडक्ट्स लिमिटेड रखा and he named his company Western India Vegetable Products Limited. 1946 में इस कारखाने में उत्पादन शुरू हुआ. In 1946 production started in his factory. बाद में इस कंपनी के नाम में से वेजिटेबल शब्द हटा दिया गया. Later on, the word vegetable was removed from his company name. हटा दिया गया means removed. सन 1947 में मोहम्मद अली जिन्ना ने मोहम्मद हुसैन प्रेमजी को पाकिस्तान में आ बसने का निमंत्रण दिया. Children, we all know that we got independence on 15th August 1947. So after getting the independence, Muhammad Ali Jinnah, he invited Hussain Premji to come and settle in Pakistan. आ बसने का means to settle, निमंत्रण दिया means invitation, gave the invitation. इतना ही नहीं, नवनिर्मित पाकिस्तान का चित्त मंत्री बनाने का भरोसा भी दिलाया. Not only that, he also assured him to make him the finance minister of newly formed Pakistan. नवनिर्मित means newly formed, वित्त मंत्री means finance minister, भरोसा दिलाया means gave him the assurance. उन दिनों हुए हिंदू मुस्लिम दंगों को एक दुखद घटना से अधिक महत्व न देते हुए प्रेमजी ने जिन्ना का प्रस्ताव ठुकरा दिया. In those days, there were lots of riots between Hindu and Muslim people. And now, this Premji, he did not give more importance to such riots, and he only thought that it was just a tragic incident. And he refused the offer made by Muhammad Ali Jinnah. Dange means riots, Dukhat Ghatna means tragic incident, Adhik Mahatva, great importance, Prastav offer, ठुकरा दिया, he refused. उन्हें भारत की धर्मनिरपेक्ष नीति पर पूरा भरोसा था. He totally trusted the secular policy of India. धर्मनिरपेक्ष नीति means secular policy where equal importance is given to all religions. भरोसा था means he totally trusted. इसलिए उन्होंने स्वतंत्र भारत में ही बने रहने का निर्णय लिया. So he decided to continue staying in independent India. This is again a thing of pride for his children. How much India is a loving and a country where a lot of freedom is being given. So we all should love India, your mother country, and always work towards making it more famous and richer and richer. 1945 में जन्मे अजीम प्रेमजी तब 21 साल के थे जब उनके पिता मोहम्मद हुसैन प्रेमजी का निधन हो गया. Azim Premji, he was born in 1945 and he was merely 21 years when his father Muhammad Hussain Premji expired. निधन हो गया means he expired. Azim उन दिनों स्टैनफोर्ड में इंजीनियरिंग की पढ़ाई कर रहे थे. In those days, Azim was doing his engineering in Stanford. अगले कुछ महीनों में पढ़ाई पूरी होते ही उन्हें अपने पिता का कारोबार संभालना पड़ा. Now, because his father expired, in the next few months only, he had to take over the reins of the business. He had to take care of the business. कारोबार means business, संभालना पड़ा means he had to take care of it. उनके पिता की यही अंतिम इच्छा थी कि उनके बाद उनका चौथा बेटा अजीम ही उनके कारोबार की देखरेख करे. His father's last wish was that after him, his fourth son Azim should only take care of the business. अंतिम इच्छा means last wish. चौथा बेटा means fourth son. कारोबार business. अजीम प्रेमजी ने कंपनी की बागडोर संभालने के साथ ही इसके नाम में बदलाव किया. So as soon as Azim Premji took over the business, he changed the name of the business or the company. बागडोर संभालना means to take over the reins. बदलाव किया means changed. उन्होंने यह महसूस किया कि कंपनी का नाम इतना लंबा होने से लोगों की जुबान पर नहीं चढ़ पाता. He sensed that because the name of the company was so long. What was the name of the company, children? It was Western India Vegetable Products Limited. So he felt that such a long name was not easy for people to memorize or to remember. So he changed the name. Zuban means tongue. Nahi chad pata means he can't speak it very easily. इसलिए उन्होंने वेस्टर्न से W, इंडिया से I, प्रोडक्ट से प्रो शब्दों का चयन किया और इसका नाम विप्रो रखा. That is why he selected W from Western, I from India and Pro from products and gave the new name Wipro to his company. इस नाम को बदलने के बाद कंपनी का नाम, here children, विदेश means foreign country and प्रचलित means popular or famous. यही नहीं, अजीम प्रेमजी ने कंपनी का और भी कई क्षेत्रों में विस्तार किया. Not only that, he also expanded his company in many other fields. विस्तार means expansion. आज विप्रो उन्हीं नए क्षेत्रों में से आईटी क्षेत्र की एक अग्रणी कंपनी के रूप में जानी जाती है. Today, Wipro is known as a leading company in IT field. Actually, Wipro had expanded in many fields and IT field, it is now the leading company. Agrani means leading. अजीम प्रेमजी को भी अपने पिता की तरह भारत की धर्मनिरपेक्षता पर गर्व है और अटूट भरोसा है. Just like his father, Azim Premji also is proud of the secular policy of India and he completely trusts it. धर्मनिरपेक्षता means secular policy. गर्व है means is proud. अटूट भरोसा means unwavering trust. सन 2005 में गार्जियन पत्रिका में एक साक्षात्कार के दौरान उन्होंने कहा था, हमारे प्रधानमंत्री सिख हैं जो एक अल्पसंख्यक समुदाय के हैं. In 2005, during an interview in Guardian magazine, he had told, our Prime Minister is a Sikh person who's from a minority community. Patrika means magazine. साक्षात्कार के दौरान means during an interview. अल्पसंख्यक means minority. समुदाय means community. हमारे राष्ट्रपति एक मुस्लिम है. Our president is a Muslim person. प्रमुख पार्टी कांग्रेस की लीडर एक ईसाई है. The leader of the main party Congress is a Christian and विपक्ष के नेता हिंदू हैं and the leader of opposition is a Hindu. Here ईसाई means Christian and विपक्ष means opposition, नेता means leader. किसी भी देश में इस प्रकार का उदाहरण मिलना कठिन है. It is very difficult to get such an example in any country in the world. Udaharan means example, katin hai means it's difficult. Children, so now you can feel there is so much variety in India, but still we are united. Now it's in our hands, in your hands rather, to keep India united and to bring it, move it forward proudly. अजीम प्रेमजी जोर देकर कहते हैं कि प्रत्येक व्यक्ति को सब धर्मों का आदर करना चाहिए. He emphasizes and says, Azim Premji, that every person should respect all the religions. जोर देकर कहते हैं means he says with force or emphasizes. वे स्वयं हिंदू मंदिरों में जाते हैं. He is a Muslim person but he still goes to Hindu temples. उन्होंने स्पष्ट रूप से यह घोषणा की है कि उनकी कंपनी में किसी को भी धर्म या जाति के आधार पर पद नहीं दिया गया है. He very clearly announces that in his company, no one has ever been offered a position based on religion or caste. That is the greatness of such people, children. So we should all get inspiration from them. स्पष्ट रूप से means clearly, घोषणा means announcement. पद मीन्स पोजीशन। विप्रो भारत की उन कुछ एक महत्वपूर्ण सूचना प्रौद्योगिकी कंपनियों में से एक है जो अंतर्राष्ट्रीय स्तर पर सफल रही है। Wipro is one among those few important information technology companies of India who has become successful in international level. महत्वपूर्ण means important, सूचना प्रौद्योगिकी companies means information technology companies. अंतर्राष्ट्रीय स्तर means on international level. इसलिए दुनिया भर की पत्रिकाएं अजीम प्रेमजी का साक्षात्कार लेने और विप्रो की सफलता जानने के लिए उनके पीछे पड़ी रहती हैं. That is the reason why magazines around the world, they are behind him so that they get a chance to interview him and they want to know what is the reason for his success. पत्रिकाएं means magazine, साक्षात्कार means interview. ऐसे पत्रकार जब उनसे पूछते हैं, आपने इस उद्योग में काफी सफलता हासिल कर ली है, तो प्रेम जी तुरंत उसमें सुधार करते हुए कहते हैं, हमने कुछ हद तक सफलता प्राप्त की है, परंतु अभी तो बहुत कुछ प्राप्त करना बाकी है. Such journalists, when they ask him, you have achieved success in this industry, at that time he immediately corrects them and says, we have got success in this industry to some extent, but still a lot has to be achieved. पत्रकार means journalist, उद्योग means industry, हासिल कर ली है means you have achieved. सुधार करते हुए means correcting them. कुछ हद तक means to some extent. अजीम प्रेमजी प्रतिदिन सवेरे 4:30 बजे उठते हैं. Now in this whole paragraph they are going to talk about the daily schedule of Azim Premji. He wakes up at 4:30 in the morning. प्रतिदिन means every day. सवेरे means morning, 4:30 बजे means at 4:30. विप्रो के कार्यकलाप सुबह होने से पहले से ही उनकी प्रतीक्षा करने लगते हैं. The activities of Wipro, they start waiting for him even before it's morning. In one way, the author wants to say that from early morning itself, he starts thinking about Wipro. प्रतीक्षा means waiting. उनके दोस्त और साथी कहते हैं कि विप्रो ही उनका भोजन, श्वास और जीवन है. His friends comment saying that Wipro itself is his food, breath and life. श्वास means breath. प्रेम जी प्रतिदिन 14 घंटे काम करते हैं. He works for 14 hours every day. Children, you should know how much of dedication and hard work he is putting into this industry. वे विप्रो के लिए सप्ताह में 90 घंटों से अधिक समय तक काम करते हैं. He works for more than 90 hours in a week for Wipro. सवेरे 4:30 बजे से 7 बजे तक वे घर से ही काम करते हैं. इसके बाद दफ्तर जाते हैं. Morning from 4:30 till evening 7 o'clock he works from home. After that he goes to office. दफ्तर means office. विप्रो में प्रेमजी का कार्यालय बहुत साधारण है. इन विप्रो, प्रेमजी's office is very simple. कार्यालय means office, साधारण means simple. इसमें सुंदर चित्रकारी और मूर्तिकला के साथ साधारण सजावट की गई है. In his office, along with paintings and drawings and sculptures, simple decoration has been done. चित्रकारी means painting or drawing, मूर्तिकला means sculpture, statues. अपने कक्ष का निर्धारण उन्होंने इस तरह किया है ताकि विप्रो के सुंदर एवं शानदार परिसर का संपूर्ण दृश्य उन्हें दिखाई दे. He has constructed or decided his room in such a way that he can see the entire beautiful scene of his magnificent premises. His magnificent premises means that is of Wipro's. Here निर्धारण means he has decided or he has selected. शानदार, magnificent or super. परिसर means premises. संपूर्ण दृश्य means entire scene. प्रेम जी जो इस बात पर जोर देते हैं कि प्रत्येक व्यक्ति को अपनी तंदुरुस्ती का उचित ध्यान रखना चाहिए, सीढ़ी चढ़ने के लिए लिफ्ट का प्रयोग करना पसंद नहीं करते. Now, Premji always emphasizes on the fact that every person should take care of his health, and he does not like to take a lift where he can climb the steps. जोर देते हैं means emphasizes. तंदुरुस्ती means health. उचित means appropriate. हालांकि उनका कार्यालय 10वीं मंजिल पर है, फिर भी वे तेजी से सीढ़ियां चढ़ और उतर सकते हैं. Even though his office is on the 10th floor, he still can climb up and down the steps very fast. हालांकि means even though, 10वीं मंजिल means 10th floor. अजीम प्रेमजी एक इंजीनियर स्नातक हैं, परंतु उनका दैनिक कार्य केवल प्रबंधन और प्रशासन तक ही सीमित है. Azim Premji is an engineering graduate, but his daily routine is related only to management and administration. Engineer Snatak means engineer graduate. Dainik Karya means day-to-day activities. Prabandhan, management, and Prashasan means administration. सीमित है means limited. It's limited to that. वे प्रायः कहा करते हैं, विप्रो में प्रत्येक व्यक्ति बराबर है. He normally says, in Wipro, each person is equal. बराबर means equal. वे इस बात का ध्यान रखते हैं कि उन्हें कार्यालय में विशेष महत्व ना दिया जाए. He always sees to it that he is not given undue importance in his office. ध्यान रखते हैं means he sees to it that, he takes care of that. विशेष महत्व means special importance. Children, in this slide, I have already explained the first paragraph, so I'm continuing with the second one. यात्रा करते समय प्रेमजी सूटकेस में हमेशा एक पैकेट कपड़े धोने का पाउडर और एक इस्त्री रखते हैं. While traveling, Azim Premji always keeps a packet of washing powder and an iron box in his suitcase. कपड़े धोने का पाउडर means washing powder. इस्त्री means iron box. यात्रा में होटल में उपलब्ध लॉन्ड्री सुविधा का उपयोग करने के बजाय वे स्वयं अपने कपड़े धोना और उन पर इस्त्री करना पसंद करते हैं. Instead of washing or using the laundry facility in the hotel, he prefers to wash his own clothes and iron them. उपलब्ध means available, laundry सुविधा means facility. यह प्रेमजी की एक अनुपम शैली है. This is a unique style of प्रेमजी. अनुपम शैली means unique style. प्रेमजी का यह दृढ़ विश्वास है कि किसी भी संगठन को आगे चलकर अपने अनावश्यक खर्चों में कमी करनी ही पड़ेगी. He strongly believes in the fact that any establishment has to control his unnecessary expenditure as it progresses. दृढ़ विश्वास means strong belief. संगठन means establishment. अनावश्यक खर्चे means unnecessary expenditure. उनके मुताबिक कंजूस हुए बिना अनावश्यक तड़क भड़क को दूर रखना मुश्किल होता है. According to him, if you are not stingy, it is very difficult to keep away unnecessary pompousness. मुताबिक means according to him, कंजूस means stingy, अनावश्यक means unnecessary, तड़क भड़क means glitter and pompousness. अपने व्यक्तिगत जीवन में भी प्रेमजी मितव्ययी विकल्पों को ही अपनाते हैं. In his personal or private life also, he adopts only economical options. व्यक्तिगत जीवन means private life or personal life. मितव्ययी means economical. विकल्प means options. अपनाते हैं means adopts. यद्यपि वे दुनिया के सबसे धनी व्यक्तियों में से एक हैं, परंतु उनकी गतिविधियों से नहीं लगता कि वे रईस हैं. Even though he is one among the richest persons in the world, from his activities, we don't feel that he is that rich. Yadyapi means even though. Gatividhiya means activities. Rais means very rich. उन्होंने सन 1996 में एक सामान्य फोर्ड कार खरीदी थी. In 1996, he had bought an ordinary Ford car. सामान्य means ordinary. इसके बाद बाजार में एक से एक सुविधाजनक कारें आई, पर प्रेमजी ने एक भी कार खरीदना जरूरी नहीं समझा. After that, in market, many convenient cars came with lot of facilities, but he never found it important or necessary to buy one. सुविधाजनक means convenient with lots of facilities. 7 साल बाद जब नई कार खरीदी तब भी पुरानी कार नहीं बेची. After 7 years when he bought a new car, still he did not sell the old car. उनका कहना है कि एक तो यह कार उनके लिए भाग्यशाली है, दूसरे इसमें कोई खराबी नहीं है, तो फिर क्यों बेचा जाए? What the justification that he gives is that first thing is that the old car is very lucky for him. Secondly, he says that if there is no defect in the car, why should he sell the car? Bhagyashali means lucky, kharabi means defect, बेचा जाए means sell. न केवल कार के मामले में बल्कि अन्य किसी प्रकार की विलासिता के लिए भी प्रेम जी के जीवन में कोई स्थान नहीं है. Not only in the case of cars, even for any other luxury, there is no place in Premji's life. के मामले में means in its case, बल्कि means not even. विलासिता means luxury. उनके बेटे का विवाह जितने सामान्य ढंग से संपन्न हुआ, उतने सामान्य ढंग से तो किसी मध्यवित्त परिवार में भी विवाह संपन्न न होता होगा. His son's marriage had taken place in a very ordinary way. In such an ordinary way that even a mediocre families, marriage would not take place in such a simple way. Madhyavitt parivar means mediocre family, who's not very rich. सामान्य ढंग, normal way, संपन्न हुआ, it took place. प्रेम जी जिस तरह पैसों के मामले में मितव्ययी हैं, उसी प्रकार से बोलने में भी मितव्ययी हैं. Just like he is stingy or frugal about money, same way he is even frugal about speaking. मितव्ययी means frugal or stingy. सामान्य तौर पर वे अधिक नहीं बोलते. Normally he doesn't speak much. सामान्य तौर पर means normally. जो कोई भी व्यक्ति उनके साथ बातचीत करता है, वे धैर्यपूर्वक और उत्सुकता से उसे सुनते हैं. Whichever person or whoever talks to him, he patiently and with interest listens to him or her. सुनते हैं means listens. उनकी आदत है कि वे कभी भी आवश्यकता से अधिक नहीं बोलते. It is his habit that he doesn't speak more than what is needed. आदत means habit. आवश्यकता से अधिक means more than what is needed. प्रेम जी किसी एक चीज को नापसंद करते हैं तो वह है अनावश्यक रूप से गपशप और समय की बर्बादी. If at all he dislikes something, that is unnecessary gossip and wastage of time. नापसंद means dislike, गपशप means gossip, समय की बर्बादी means wastage of time. यही एक कारण है जिसकी वजह से वे अधिकांश कॉर्पोरेट पार्टियों में भाग नहीं लेते. This is the only reason why he does not participate in most of the corporate parties. अधिकांश means many of them. वे यह जानते हैं कि वहां समय बर्बाद करने की बजाय वे एक अच्छी पुस्तक पढ़ सकते हैं या प्रकृति का आनंद लेने के लिए छोटे भ्रमण पर जा सकते हैं. He believes in the fact that by participating in such parties and wasting his time, he would rather prefer to read a good book or take a small tour to enjoy nature. Here, prakriti ka anand means to enjoy nature, भ्रमण means tour or sightseeing. पढ़ने के अतिरिक्त प्रेम जी को अच्छा संगीत सुनना और सुंदर चित्रों एवं मूर्तियों का संग्रह करना भी अच्छा लगता है. Other than reading, he also likes listening to music and collecting beautiful paintings and drawings and statues. पढ़ने के अतिरिक्त means other than studies. संगीत, music, मूर्तियां means statues, संग्रह करना means to collect them. यहाँ भी वे भारी कीमत में प्रसिद्ध कलाकारों की चित्रकारी या मूर्तियों को खरीदने की बजाय उदीयमान और उभरते कलाकारों को प्रोत्साहित करना पसंद करते हैं. Now here also, instead of spending huge amounts on the paintings of famous artists, he believes in encouraging emerging and rising artists, and thus he buys their paintings. Here, भारी कीमत में means heavy amount. प्रसिद्ध कलाकार means famous artists. चित्रकारी artwork. उदीयमान और उभरते कलाकार means emerging and rising artists. प्रोत्साहित करना मीन्स टू एनकरेज देम। प्रेम जी अपने युवा दिनों में खेलों में अत्यधिक रुचि रखते थे। During his youth days, he used to take a lot of interest in games. युवा दिनों में means in his youth. अब उतना समय नहीं मिलता. Now he's so busy with his work that he doesn't get much time. फिर भी जब कभी उन्हें समय मिलता है तो वे गोल्फ खेलते हैं और स्कीइंग करते हैं. Still, whenever he gets time, he plays golf and does skiing. पहले वे टेनिस खेलते थे, परंतु अब इसमें उनकी रुचि नहीं रही. Before he used to play tennis, but now he was no more interested in it. रुचि नहीं रही means no more interest. अपने निजी जीवन भर पर धन खर्च करने के मामले में भले ही अजीम प्रेम जी कंजूस ठहराए जाएं, समाज और राष्ट्र निर्माण के कार्यों पर धन व्यय करने के मामले में उदारता का परिचय देने में जरा भी नहीं हिचकते. He is known as a stingy person as far as his personal life is concerned. But when it comes to social work and nation building, he shows how generous he is because he generously spends on such activities. He never hesitates in being generous in such things. Niji Jeevan means personal life, Samaj means social work, Rashtra Nirman means national building. व्यय करना means to spend. उदारता means generosity. परिचय means introduce and नहीं हिचकते means does not hesitate. This shows how great a person he is. विप्रो कंपनी की मदद से सैकड़ों स्कूलों में विचारों का अनुप्रयोग योजना चलाई जा रही है. With the help of this company, Wipro, in lots of schools, a particular plan is being organized which is known as विचारों का अनुप्रयोग, that is using thoughts creatively. यह संगठन भारत में 500 से अधिक स्कूलों में नए और आविष्कारीय पाठ्यक्रमों के साथ प्रयोग कर रहा है. Now the purpose of this establishment is to try out or to experiment new and inventive courses जिससे विद्यार्थियों में सृजनात्मक सोच का विकास हो. And the purpose of these courses is that to help in creative thinking or to help in developing creative thinking in children. That's a beautiful thing, isn't it, children? Rather than just sitting and mugging up things, if we learn things in our courses which helps us think creatively, definitely we are going to become very capable individuals. Here, आविष्कारीय पाठ्यक्रम means inventive courses. सृजनात्मक सोच का विकास हो means development of creative thinking. इस संगठन का मूल मंत्र है, जो बच्चा सही उम्र में स्कूल नहीं जा पाता, वह बाल श्रमिक होता है. The main key or aim of this establishment is that that child who could not go to school at the right age is child labor. भारत में लगभग 6 करोड़ बच्चे प्राथमिक शिक्षा से वंचित रह जाते हैं. In India, almost 6 crore children they miss out primary education. प्राथमिक शिक्षा means primary education. उन प्रौढ़ लोगों के बारे में बताने की तो कोई आवश्यकता ही नहीं है जिनके पास कोई शिक्षा नहीं होती. There is nothing to tell or no need to tell about those adult people who have not been educated at all. Proud means adult. प्रेम जी को विश्वास है, यदि इन लोगों को कम से कम प्राथमिक शिक्षा ही दी गई होती तो गरीबी, बेरोजगारी की समस्या, भ्रष्टाचार और अन्य अनेक बुराइयों को किसी सीमा तक कम किया या रोका जा सकता था. प्रेम जी strongly believes in the fact that if these people were given at least this primary education, then poverty, unemployment problems, corruption, and many other bad or evil things could have been reduced or at least stopped to some extent. Garibi means poverty, berozgari ki samasya means unemployment problem. Bhrashtachar means corruption. Buraiya means evil things or bad things. Kisi seema tak means to at least to some extent. अजीम प्रेमजी का स्वप्न है सभी के लिए गुणवत्तापूर्ण शिक्षा और बिना भेदभाव का समाज. And Azim Premji's dream is quality education for everyone and a society without any discrimination. उनका पूर्ण विश्वास है कि प्राथमिक शिक्षा में काफी सुधार लाया जा सकता है. He has full trust in the fact that a lot of improvement can be made in primary education. I hope children, all of you find or found this chapter very, very interesting, inspiring. If Azim Premji could do like this, anyone can do it. Only thing is you have to determine in your mind. And you can also become as successful as Azim Premji. I think we all should take him as an inspiring role model and try to do what he has been doing. Isn't it great? Thank you, children, for watching this. I hope you all understood it. In case you have any doubts, please let me know in the comments below. Take care and bye-bye. Children, thanks for watching Rivora Tube, and please do not forget to like, share and subscribe, because that is what keeps me motivated to go ahead. Stay safe and stay happy. Bye-bye.